Hello all, welcome to our channel. This is the Ugadi special videos from how we can promote your YouTube videos by using website links. So, question is called I have uploaded one video on YouTube channel. How to increase my views on website link? That is called. I'm selecting one of the video will be here. Any video, what are the video selected? That is the option. So this will be copy this. Keep it and open your notepad. There is a call, Puttidamma Kadam Gattidammo video song. Here I am writing for folk video song. People, anyone, we can come into your website, copy here, select option will be in this. What are the option we can utilize? And description. So direct video already is available in a YouTube channel. So why we can using for this option? So some people by searching will be actor name. Here, an actor name is called Pulsar by Ramana latest song. People searching will be different way. Tone Kick, Kavita, latest video song. So people searching is a different ways. So when I'm searching this keyword in Google, when you click here, see this. So people searching will be different way. Kavita, latest songs. Then will be search will be here. Ugadi event, Pulsar by Ramana here, Pulsar by Ramana. So many will be here. In the same like that, what are the video? But people writing will be what is the title? Puttidamma Kadam Gattidammo is a song. But what I'm searching will be Google, Tony Kick, Kavita, latest song. So people will be searching will be different ways. This all keyword come together into in a particular one platform will be there. So what are the platform will be using into the particular website curriculum in SEO? What are the pattern we have to follow it? That all will be compulsory should be follow the pattern will be main. So that is called SEO. The different keywords it is we can using is one of the one platform is called website. That's mean by we can using for different title and description. What we can use same title, actor, Tony, and actress Kavita, video song. So we can write what are the ways you have to write here. This will be now will be Tony latest folk song. So this many keyword we have to write is important or not. That is called we have to show is the one of the unpaid is called one example. If you are promoting will be online movies, free online movies, watch online movies. Here target is the online movies. Same like here our target will be that is the main curriculum will be here. That is a call in a particular video. We have to promoting is the option will be selected. The one video will be here. That is option will be selected by the SEO pattern. So in this particular SEO pattern, how we can optimize that video will be into particular website. So that curriculum will be maintained here should be use different kind of keywords in one video will be promote that concept will be designed by the website. So YouTube will be sir I can animate the only particular one title and one thumbnail, different images, different title. One video we can promoting number of images and number of title. That option will be given by the website. So that is called I'm simple given here actress, actor Tony, actress Kavita. The song will be here. I'm writing will be Tony Kick latest folk song. And another name is called Pulsar Bike Ramana latest video song. So we can writing here Pulsar Bike Ramana latest folk video song. Same will be using for keywords that I'm example here. This is the title. Description will be online watch movies, film online watch, online movies, watch cinema online, free movies online here. In this one title, people will be anyone searching Telugu online movies. Keyword is matching. Tamil online movies. Matches is a keyword. So, what are the keyword we have to match that compulsory we have to follow will be proper SEO is there. So we have to use what are the keyword mainly target here that compulsory follow the proper instructions. So now one website will go into the top level. The mainly we have to focus on this. So what are the video we have to targeting the audience, the different keywords and different images. That one of the platform is called website. So same video I can using for here. Anyone click for images, see here. Promo and full video song. You can making your own image yourself. But right now I don't have any images for this video. What we can call same video, we can download it. The name of here. What are the title you have to create it? Same image you will be save and save this on documentation. Click for save and choose file on this particular image on this. So what are the image here? See this. Sir, any description compass important or not? So what are the information you can write here? That is a very fastly indexing will be here. So what are the singer or everything you can writing on first of all notepad. After this one, updating on your particular website. After click for option call is submit. So this year writing will be here. పుట్టిదేమో కాదమ్మ గట్టిదమ్మ వీడియో సాంగ్ ఉగాది ఈవెంట్ 2023 పల్సర్ బైక్ రమణ టోనీ కిక్ కవిత బట్ హియర్ వాట్ ఐమ్ రైటింగ్ హియర్ సో that పుట్టదం గట్టిదమ్మ వీడియో సాంగ్ folk video song just I'm writing will be this is a pattern. So here extra letter will be happening here, that is extra space will be coming. So we can go to edit, remove the this particular space. Why it is called the particular URL structure main important. In a complete on page, we have to follow this proper URL structure, title, description, and keyword. So now, after refresh in the particular URL, when clicking this option, first option URL structure. So first one is called URL structure. Next one, when you go to the control U option, there is a first option is called, see how I'm writing it. Actor Tony, actress Kavita, song on in the video song. In this one title, anyone searching for actress Kavita, latest folk song. Simple. Actress Kavita, latest folk song. So here the song will be came for in this option. We have to market it. So same like we can Tony will be here. Actor Tony, latest folk songs. So here not available. So you can promote this kind of way. Your web page will be going to top based on the right one. So writing only we can writing will be skills is done. So remaining will be here that you can marketing for your promotions. So that will be here and this option. So what I'm writing for SEO description and keyword, this all will be together to show your website will be Google search list. So right now I can do only on page, proper SEO, URL structure, title, and we can using for proper description, proper keyword. Next one, main thing, the image specific name, alt is equal. So anyone we can search this keyword on Google and more images. There is a number of options are there. Here you can image will be shown to the Google. That is, we have to work on it. Just I'm writing the keyword and just put on your upload here. So when it is ranking on Google, automatically your website image also will show to the particular customers. So how to show to your particular customer? Simple example. What are the I'm posting done by just half an hour, 1 hour back, 2 hours back, not like just I'm go to the old videos. So this web series is there. So many people are posting this web series. You can come to here. How many people uploading in this particular videos are here? So many websites are indexing here. This is the latest video that is taking some time, but existing video they show will be like this. So this all kind of the method we have to use, and indexing method you have to follow it. Anyone when click here, when click the image, they go to a particular website. So that is the purpose. We have to return particular alt tag on particular website. That is mean by specific image, specific alt tag. Next header tag, nothing but what are the your highlighted keyword? What is my highlighted keyword? The song name is highlighted keyword that is called H1 tag. Simple. We can go to test book. In a test book, what are the our headings? We can writing will be highlighted keyword is a English through practice. So there is a name will be arts, English, history, physics, geometry, science, algebra, and sociology. So this all will be writing a big letters that is called highlighted keyword that is mean by H1 tag that is called header tag. The pattern will be show like this, like heading, small heading, capital headings. What are the headings your sizes are here? That all will be here. This pattern we have to follow it, and one video we can promoting different title, different images. That all belongs to is a one platform will be go to there. That option name is called website. So that is called any YouTube channel, website important, and YouTube channel also will be important. If anybody asking question, so website and YouTube is both are used for YouTube channel. Yes, one video we can promoting different title that is a called website. We can one title will be through promoting will be here in YouTube. That also will be one way method. So right now we have to promoting in one video with a different title by using option name is called website. That is called we have to follow these parameters. Proper URL structure, meta title tag, meta description, meta keyword, alt tag, header tag, and we have to use an option name is called anchor text. Anchor is nothing but simple. When I click this video will be here, the video will be play. And canonical URL. Canonical URL, we don't copy any content. This all content belongs to for tolisinnews.com that we are mentioned will be canonical URL. So right now in my website will be two is there, but we have right only will be one. So this is the method you have to follow it and upload your video with a different title, different description, and different patterns, and promote it with using for website. So this is a method is any copyright? No. If your video will be copy, upload on another YouTube channel, that is a copy. Your video will be promoted through website with the different keywords, that is not copyright. Why? Because you have to promote this video will be your own title and own description. So that is called compulsory. We have to follow these instructions. What are the major videos on your YouTube channel? Follow that videos and promote it by using website. So one question is there, sir, I don't have any website, how we can promote? That is a call. We have to, in video below, there's one option name is called blogger is there. That is a follow the blogger and promote the videos on your blogger also. So this is the method you have to follow it on particular blogger option without website. This is a complete free website. Follow the blogger and promote your videos. So this is the panel, you have to follow it and promote your videos. Blogger also supporting same like a website. This video already available in my channel. Follow this. Further any question, please contact my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.